Hello everyone, welcome to back my YouTube channel. If you want to support me, so you can like, subscribe and share my video. But if you don't support me, so don't like, subscribe and share my video. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So today I am gonna to share with you how to practice alone at home. So let's start. uh, you are thinking that I don't have any partner, so how can I speak English, how can I practice a lot? Okay, I said right, you are thinking right. Okay, so don't thought I don't have any partner, so how can I practice at alone, how can I improve English alone, how can I practice alone? Okay, so don't, if you want to speak fluently English, so don't need any partner. Okay, it's right. Okay, this time your question is arising in your head. uh, how can I improve English without any partner? It is not impossible, it is not impossible. I will never speak fluently English without partner. Okay, this is wrong. And you are thinking that it is possible. Yes, this is possible. I will say yes, it is possible. And if you don't have any partner, so you have your own partner. You are thinking that what, who's is partner? Okay, yes. Mm, this time you have your own partner, you have your own mobile partner. Mobile is your best friend, mobile is your motivational, and mobile is your everything. If you want to do anything, so with mobile help you can't do anything. So next time you will not thought I don't have any partner, so how can I practice at alone? Okay, and really if you want to improve your speaking skills, so uh, you have to learn and you have to watch movie. Okay, and whenever you will watch any movie, so this time you have to on subtitle first time. Okay, then second time, third and fourth time without subtitle you have to watch any video. After watching video you have to record video in your mobile. Okay, and after making video in your mobile you have to watch your video. And this time you have lot of mistakes, so you have your watch me video again and again, and you have to correct this is a wrong and there are lot of mistakes in my video, so this time you have to correct. Okay, and but sometime you are thinking that I don't have any partner. But if you get any partner, okay, you are talking each other daily. Okay, and but your partner don't correct your communication, and this time you are speaking wrong. Okay, only if you want to improve yourself, so you can improve and you can correct ourselves. Okay, and I want to give some tips. Okay, really if you want to practice at alone, so you have to think lot of example, and you have to share feeling in your mobile. And this time if you are feeling sad and if you are feeling happy, okay, so you have to share thought in your mobile, and you have to make video in your mobile. And my next tips. And if you if you are thinking that I don't have any partner, so how can I improve English, how can I practice at alone? Okay, so this is a wrong, this is a wrong. Okay, and whenever you will do practice, okay, that time you are thinking lot of English or only English you are thinking. I know your mother tongue is Hindi. Okay, but if you want to improve your speaking skill, if you want to English, so you have to thought lot of in your English, only English language. Okay, and if you are living in alone, that time you have to thought what I have made today, and what will made tomorrow. Okay, so you have to think lot of. Okay, so really if you want to if you want to if you want to apply these tips, so one day you can practice at alone and you can improve your English. So don't panic, I don't have any partner, I don't have any environment, so how can I improve English? No, this is a wrong. You have your own partner, you have your mobile, and your mobile is best friend, motivational, and there are a lot of there are a lot of video in YouTube channel. So you can improve your English and you can watch video. Okay, but if you want to improve your speaking English lot of, so you, if you will make video daily in your mobile, so definitely one day you can speak fluently English. Okay, thank you for giving this about. Thank you, that's all about me.